One of the things I love about decorating cakes and cupcakes is how much variety you can get. There are times when I want something delicate and easy and times when I need bright and fun colors. Sometimes you want that extra in-your-face pop of color, and that is when I turn to neons. Here I will show you how to make neon yellow icing and my best products to use. How much coloring to put in? This depends on the brand. I suggest adding a little bit at a time, to avoid altering the texture or going overboard with it. It does not have any taste, but it is preferable to use as little as you can to achieve the desired effect. If you use too much, your mouth will end up all colored up as well. In this video, we measured the recommended amounts based on 2.5 cups of white buttercream. Make sure you use or make it as white or light in color as you can. To achieve this, you can use a shortening-based buttercream that has no color. Butter has a yellowish hue to it that could affect the outcome. You can also use all of these colorants in fondant, royal icing, and cake batter. Be mindful that when cooked, the color changes and loses vibrancy. All of these bases need to be white for the color to catch on correctly. What type of food coloring? Gel coloring is more concentrated than liquid and will not affect the texture of your icing at all when you use it. I prefer to use this type in general. I find the colors turn out more vivid. Which brand to use? Wilton Color Right. We love this concentrated gel food coloring. Use just 2 drops of yellow and you will get a true and vivid color, but you can always use one more to achieve a more intense result. It comes as a set, so it is of great value. Magic Colors. We find this is an incredible brand. We love their gel colors. You can also find the same set in liquid form to use in an airbrush. We recommend starting with 3 drops and checking it from there. This set includes 6 neon gel colors, so you will be able to make not only yellow but also green, pink, purple, orange, and blue. Pretty great, huh? Scrap cooking. This food coloring is a paste. You only need to use the tip of a knife to achieve the desired neon color, but, as always, you can add a little bit more to increase the vibrancy. We did not find any sets available, though. It does come with a chocolate pen, so that is a plus. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.